Hi, it's me, Andrej, and over there is Tomek. But Tomek will be here in a moment. Here's the mission. The season is exceptionally long, but it could be even longer. And Tomek, the only brave guy, because he has to commute from Piasecno, rides a scooter and plans to keep riding for as long as possible. This will be possible thanks to how hard it is, Mr. Blanket and Mr. Muffs. But the rule in the automotive world is that whoever drives assembles, and now we will see how complicated it is to attach your blanket and your muff to your scooter. Tomek, good luck.
Andrew, let's start with the muffs.
Muffs?
Let's start with the muffs. So that the cold wind doesn't blow directly on our hands, because even with some thicker winter gloves, it's still not that particularly warm at all. Let's say. A very cool thing. The first one is just somewhere to start.
We'll see.
There's an instruction manual.
Is there an instruction manual?
There's an instruction manual, and I don't want to mess this up because it's supposed to be really simple. There's an instruction manual.
These are zip ties.
Alright, let's get started. This one's for me. No, it's not in English after all. You can ride fast. That's what they wrote, that you can ride fast.
I'll help him there.
How to install it?
I have no idea. Having a BMW, the people at BMW do this to me.
I see. Bam. I wonder how you fall and how quickly you manage to pull your hand out of that. You're just dragging yourself along behind the scooter. You sit stiffly, rigidly, the entire time, the whole time, without any relaxation.
And I won't tighten it too much.
No, I don't want it like that. And still, here on the other side too.
But look, everything rubs against each other nicely here. Nothing gets stuck. The throttle works. Whoa! And look, yeah, this deck you can screw this in even more, so it's rock solid.
Of course, that's exactly what the zip tie is for here.
Oh, damn. Damn, Kawasaki must have been assembled in Taiwan.
How did Andres do it? He unscrewed it with a bigger wrench.
For me? White, maybe not.
To make it easier, you need two sizes.
Look, you do it like this now.
But there are two methods.
You do it like this? No.
Look, you can just as well grab it with a zip tie, plain and simple. Here you go. There's the second one.
Hey! But look, I'll do it by the book. Or maybe with a zip tie after all. Hold on, there are two options. Either it won't fit properly, or we'll just use a zip tie, and honestly that'll probably be better.
Let's do it with a zip tie.
I do recommend the zip tie version though. So, the balancer goes back in its place, because here, if we can't remove this washer end right now, I don't have a washer that would fit between the balancer and this rubber end. We shouldn't do a sloppy job, so it's better to screw it back on. Look, it's Mr. Tomek, we're pushing it in, and now we're gonna put it on the balance beam. Oh, hi.
But what is the fur like on the inside?
The fur is lovely.
Very nice.
Yes. Well, we have it seated. Do you know that right tie? Oh, damn. Reusable cable tie. What a blast. Look, Hike, that is truly quite genius. It's almost a real shame to actually use it, you know? It's just so perfect.
I didn't know you could improve the wheel.
And yet, you can. Look, the lever can have resistance.
And you can keep it closed.
And it doesn't get in the way.
And now, neither snow nor frost.
Flush, chill, misery.
And even the wind blowing won't bother us.
Come on, give me that now.
Step 2.
I'll take these.
And our blanket. I doubt there will be any problems now. Hey, what's this here? You can fill it with hot water like a hot water bottle if you want.
No, you blow it up.
I know, but you could fill it up if you wanted, but that's practical. Maybe. It has transparent stickers. I don't know what they're for yet, but it has them. Is that it? No? I think so. We'll get to that later. At first glance, everything looks pretty complicated, but it definitely isn't. And now I think I know what those transparent stickers are, also you don't get shake.
Yeah?
Probably. Just look here, for example. You can stick it on.
Alright. But it's quite practical, right?
Exactly.
Everything will still be a pandemic.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. I'll help.
Exactly.
So, like this then, perhaps?
Yes. Wait, let's take a look.
Maybe at the instructions. It's like a small tent.
The very first time, you know, is always quite hard indeed. This structure is starting to become stiff.
Well, isn't it? It is not yet known why.
Oh. But what? And look, Andres, would that fit?
I just know. He doesn't fit in anywhere at all. Or maybe not. You, Zidek, are you there? Because this clip should be attached here somehow. Do you get it?
Yeah. Well, that makes sense. Well, how much?
Well, you have to remember that you have to be careful with pins. Nothing crazy. There we go. Damn. If we hadn't broken off those pins like idiots, this would actually be starting to take shape, right?
But there must be some kind of transport to PSH, not from here. There must be something, for sure, there must be something. But that's why I have a scooter and I'll ride it in the winter, so I don't have to use public transport. It can be faster than everyone else, faster than trains and all that.
But why don't we just simply do it the way the instruction book clearly shows, meaning that we don't press them in first. And then, for example, we pull them out. Show me. Let me see if I can do it. First, you have to press down and then take it out. I don't know, but I installed it. Jesus Christ. I apologize to everyone for how clumsy we are, that we can't handle these clips. But actually, we're a classic example of amateurs installing a blanket for the first time in their lives. I supposedly trimmed the clip like this once, but I forgot. Because I don't have a scooter, only motorcycles. Where are the screws?
Seeing that it came out?
I know, Tomek, it worked out. Oh, I'll show you. Because maybe someone doesn't know. When you pull it out, you have to press it in first, so that it goes through without being torn off first. And when you put it in, you have to press it the other way, and insert it in that position.
It might even work, that's our impression.
Although this... Oh, and now carefully slide it into the designated hole. And theoretically press it in, but that's it. Oh, it worked!
That was the sound of success.
It has to fit. It matches perfectly. Look here, look. It matches the scooter's line. Perfect. Yes! Perfection. Absolute perfection. Yes! With these very hands. Hey, Grandpa, do I know what number 4 is for?
And which one is number 4?
The one we don't know what it's for.
The green one?
Yes. That's for rolling up the blanket when you don't feel like using it. Oh, that's for when you're not using the blanket and you want to roll it up so it doesn't get in your way. So you roll it up and fasten it. It's rolled up with the blanket, but let it be. Oh well, you've got those straps so you can swing your legs over. So even if you're going fast, you won't get cold. Oh, hot. That's actually a really easy piece of cake, you know. Well, I guess those old guys have a lot of experience with these blankets. The ones that I mentioned.
I'd also like to see how they install those blankets for the first time. Any of the equipment, really. Are they as good at it as we are?
I think actually maybe they're a bit better. How's it going for you?
I'm done.
Me too.
Did you turn the one at the bottom?
Yes. Well, damn. Come on under the blanket. This is fantastic.
Hey, it's warm right away. But you should also have little straps, so you can put it on like an apron. Now I feel like a butcher. And what's this here? This pocket here is just a pocket. It even looks like it's waterproof. It's spacious, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Alright, here's the butcher, but I don't know if this isn't meant to be put straight on underneath. And I think you do it like this.
That's for when you want to cover your trunk from the rain.
But I still ride them.
Oh, look, let's blow some warm air into this, shall we?
Go on, do it. Andrej, but you have to give it just a mere 100th of a bar.
Wait, I'm checking the time. Oh, man. An hour. Or do I not know? Actually, that's not long for installing this once a year for winter. An hour for 2 guys.
Well, you can certainly have a quick chat with someone.
half an hour for someone who knows what they're doing, maybe.
You extend the season. How much time do you spend in that hour? Just during that hour.
The blankets seem pretty good. We'll see. Tomek will test them. I'll be riding, so I'll let you know. Take care. Bye.